You've probably seen the headlines. Make $1,000 a day with this secret strategy. This side hustle made me 6 figures in 60 days. Passive income ideas that make money while you sleep. And maybe for a second you think, what if this one finally works? The dream of easy success is everywhere. And let's be real, it's tempting. Who wouldn't want to skip the 9-to-5 grind? Who doesn't want money without stress? Success without sacrifice? Income without effort? But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Chasing easy success is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. In this video, we're breaking down why these shortcuts almost always backfire, the hidden costs no one talks about, and what to focus on instead if you actually want to build real wealth, the kind that lasts. To get started, we need to understand something. Why is easy success so attractive? Let's be honest, we're living in the microwave generation. We want everything now. Fast food, fast shipping, fast internet, fast results. So it's no surprise we want fast money too. You scroll TikTok and see 19-year-olds making 6 figures with a side hustle. Instagram influencers claiming they made their first million off some automation tool. YouTube creators promising zero-effort income streams if you just follow these 3 steps. And here's the kicker. These stories usually come with a pitch. Of course, a coaching program, a done-for-you service. You're not just being sold success, you're being sold speed. The message is, if you're still broke, it's because you're not doing what you should be doing. And that hits deep, especially if you're trying and still struggling. That emotional manipulation is what fuels the easy success industry. But what they don't show you is the cost. But before we discuss more about the cost, let's briefly go through the list of psychological damages the easy success mindset does to you silently. Damage number 1, the lure of the easy button. Everywhere you look, someone's flaunting how they made it big, fast. Viral TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Some kid claims he made $10K reselling PDFs. A guru promises you can automate a business in a weekend. And the worst part is they make it look easy, effortless, like success is just one click away. And let's be real, that sells. The rise of get-rich-quick schemes has only gotten louder. Their marketing plays perfectly into what we all feel deep down. We want the prize without the pain. We want the lifestyle without the late nights. We want the win without the work. It's human nature. We're wired for instant gratification and avoiding discomfort, avoiding the struggle. We'd rather swipe up, sign up, and hope it works out. But when you chase the shortcut, you often miss the point entirely. Psychological damage number 2, the erosion of essential skills. When you take the easy road, you bypass something crucial. You skip the hard lessons, the deep learning, the real experience. So yeah, maybe you get some short-term results, but they're sitting on shaky ground. You know just enough to copy, but not enough to create. You don't actually understand what you're doing, you're just following scripts. And when that method stops working, when the algorithm changes, when the market shifts, you become stuck. You can't adapt because you never built the muscle for problem solving. You skipped the gym and expected gains. But growth doesn't happen without resistance. Avoiding challenge doesn't make you clever. It just leaves you unprepared. 3. The trap of unsustainable gains. Here's the dirty secret of easy success. Even when it works, it doesn't last. If you haven't earned it, you probably can't keep it. Success without substance is like a house made of paper. One storm, and it's gone. And deep down, you know it. That's why so many people feel like frauds. You're constantly afraid of being found out, afraid someone smarter, better, more legit is coming to take your spot. That fear, it kills creativity. It ruins your confidence. You don't feel successful, you feel exposed. And then the pressure builds. You work harder to maintain something that was never real to begin with. The hustle becomes a prison. Burnout sets in. Disillusionment follows. What started as freedom now feels like survival. And the worst part, you did all that and still feel empty. 4. The hidden emotional tool. This is the part most people don't talk about enough. The emotional hangover of fake success is real. You look successful from the outside, but inside, there's a gnawing anxiety, that little voice whispering, "You don't actually deserve this." That's imposter syndrome, and it thrives in the gap between appearance and authenticity. Then there's the isolation, because shortcuts are often solo missions. You don't build real relationships. You just chase individual wins. No collaboration, no support system, just hustle in a vacuum. And over time, that gets lonely, even if you're making money. And one day, maybe years later, it hits you. You skipped the part that mattered, the part where you actually grew, where you became someone stronger, smarter, more fulfilled, and that regret, it cuts deeper than any failure. Lastly, damage number 5, embracing the journey, not just the destination. So how do you break the cycle? You stop chasing the finish line and start embracing the process. Redefine success. It's not just money or clout or the algorithm smiling on you. It's growth, resilience, mastery. When you overcome something hard, you earn something real. Not just the outcome, but the you that came out the other side. The journey, that's where confidence is built. That's where relationships are formed. That's where character is forged. And the best part? That kind of success, it lasts because it's built on you, not hacks, not trends, not someone else's script. So take the long way, take the real way, build something that matters. One deliberate, meaningful step at a time. Now this takes us to the next section of this video where I promise to talk about the hidden costs of chasing easy success. Let's quickly break down exactly what you're paying when you fall for the shortcut trap of easy success. Cost number 1. Your money. These so-called opportunities usually come with a price tag. It might be $47 for a mini course, $297 for the premium version, or $19.97 for the full mastermind. It might be software you have to use to start the business, paid ads they say are essential, or gear you need to invest in before you start. And listen, investing in yourself is important, but there's a big difference between education and exploitation. Most of these systems are vague, overhyped, and underdelivered. You're left with a generic template, confusing instructions, and zero results. But hey, someone made money. Yes, someone just made some cool cash, just not you. Cost number 2, your time. Time is the most valuable thing you have, and chasing easy paths wastes a ton of it. You try one side hustle, then another. You jump from affiliate marketing to drop shipping to content automation. You spend hours watching tutorials, buying ebooks, joining Discord groups, and somehow you're still stuck. Every time you chase a shortcut, you delay real progress. You're not building momentum, you're spinning in place. And eventually you look up and realize you've been busy this whole time, but not productive. The shortcut becomes the detour, and the detour becomes a dead end. Cost number 3, your mental health. This one stings the most. When things don't work out, it doesn't feel like the system failed. It feels like you failed. You start asking, why is this so easy for everyone else? What's wrong with me? Am I just not cut out for this? You start comparing your reality to everyone else's highlight reel. You feel ashamed. You feel stuck. And that self-doubt eats away at your confidence, not just in business, but in life. The easy path doesn't just take your money and your time, it takes your belief in yourself. And without that, everything gets harder. Now, let's face it. Let's talk about what actually works. Okay, so now what? You might have asked. What do I do instead of chasing shortcuts? You may have thought. Here's the unsexy truth. Success comes from boring, consistent effort over time. In fact, let's quickly break this down. Step 1, learn a real skill. You want income? Learn a skill people are willing to pay for. Writing, design, coding, sales, video editing. Real-world skills create real-world income. And that's simply because these skills solve real-world problems too. Money is actually made when a real-world problem is solved. If you're not sure where to start, pick something and go deep. There's free content everywhere. You don't need a $1,000 course to get started. Step 2, budget and manage what you already have. It doesn't matter how much you make if you lose it faster than it comes in. Budgeting sounds boring, but it's freedom. When you know where your money goes, you're in control. Start tracking every dollar, eliminate waste, build savings. This is how you stop living paycheck to paycheck. Step 3, build one stream of income first. Don't juggle 5 hustles at once. Pick one and master it. Want to freelance? Pick one platform and grow. Want to build a YouTube channel? Focus on one niche. Consistency is better than variety. Momentum comes from direction, not distraction. Step 4. Invest in long-term assets. Once your income and spending are under control, start investing. Not in a quick flip, but in long-term assets like index funds, retirement accounts, or owning your own business. These are the stuff that won't pay off this week, but builds wealth over time. This is the game the wealthy play, and it's open to you if you stop looking for shortcuts. If you've ever chased an easy win that turned out to be a waste of time or money, drop a light bulb or fire emoji in the comments. I've been there. Most of us have. But the difference is, now you know better. And if you want more no BS finance content to help you grow smarter, not just faster, hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week to help you build real wealth one smart step at a time. Now, I'll tell you what, I get it. The internet makes success look easy, and if you're struggling right now, you're vulnerable to that dream. But most of those easy wins, they're illusions. They distract you, drain you, and leave you worse off than before. Real success isn't fast, but it is possible, and it's worth it. Start small, stay consistent, be patient. You don't need a secret strategy, you just need a real one, and you've got this. Until then, see you in the next video.